You take a big line, gain a bunch of time, or you can lose even more time sliding back down it. So.
Oh, there's tons of risk out here. Minimal reward.
Definitely get carried away as you're going up things. You can be like, oh, I can go up there.
Pretty sketch though, you know, if you don't make it up some big sandstone bluffs, you can come back down pretty quick.
It's not a true ride, you know, out here unless it's, you know, your bike tumbles down sandstone.
The main thing is cleaning everything first go, because if you come back down, you're risking breaking the bike.
It'll definitely bite you. It'll bite your bike. It'll bite your skin. You know, you're basically just sliding down sandpaper.
There's a lot of traction and then there's not. Big risks.
But some epic riding if you can make it stick.